Don't have a GPU at home? No problem. Meet Runs.ai, your remote GPU workshop in the cloud. For creators and filmmakers, it means no more waiting for local hardware. Just design, generate, and render. If you want to try it now, log into Runk.ai, pick the instance that fits your workflow, and deploy the ComfyUI or model image you need. Cloud GPUs bring your cinematic ideas to life faster and cleaner than ever. Run clever, run creative. Run runc.ai. Here you can see all the templates, workflows ready to load, and right here my own optimized 1N2.2 workflow. You can see the name Apex Artist on the label. Just click the deploy button, and it will launch the system pod image. ComfyUI ready instance. Wait few seconds, and click the instance name. You will see the green button lit up with the ComfyUI port. Click it, and it will launch the ComfyUI ready template. It really is that easy. Spin up high-performance instances on demand, pay only for the time you use, and run ComfyUI, Quinn image, or your custom containers without touching your local hardware. Choose the power you need. From A100 SXMM nodes for the biggest training jobs, to an RTX 4090 for fast, high-quality inference, and even H100 SXM for next-generation models, with free 100 GB of container storage to get you started. Runc.ai gives you ready-made system images and templates, official ComfyUI workflows, Quinn image edit setups, and community-built images so you can deploy in minutes. Want a notebook? Launch Jupyter Lab in the same environment and iterate like you mean it. Need model APIs? Call unified model endpoints for text, image, and video from a single interface. Build with containers or virtual machines. Scale from one instance to clusters, and keep costs predictable with flexible post-paid billing.